Hello and welcome. I'm Yimi from Cangzhou PengkunPipe project company, your trusted partner in high-performance concrete pump systems. At Pengkun, we offer a complete product line, including concrete pump pipes, elbows, and fans. With over 20 years of industry experience, we deliver top-quality products worldwide, backed by fast service.
Our precision-engineered components ensure strength, reliability, and long-lasting performance for every.
From local builders to major global projects, Pengkun products are powering success across every continent.
Visit www.cmpumparts.com today. Pengkun, strong parts, strong performance, strong foundation.